Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking creamy butter garlic prawns. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll season our prawns first. I have with me over here, with head and shell on, half a kilogram of nice big tiger prawns. But I've taken out the head and taken out the shell and deveined it. So approximate weight right now is about 280 grams. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Using a clean hand, just mix them up well. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in egg white from half an egg. Just pour it in. Same thing, mix them up well again. After you mix them up well, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Add in half first. Mix it up well first. And then we'll mix in the other half. Mix them up well again. After you are done with this, you just need to coat them again in corn flour just to have that beautiful golden brown exterior. Now we're going to coat the prawns with another layer of corn flour. Just take one out, press it down a little bit. Just like this will be good. Shake off the excess flour, put it aside, and continue with the rest. After you're done with this, we'll go and fry them. Now we're going to deep fry our prawns. Make sure that oil is hot. How do we know whether the oil is hot or not? Using a bamboo skewer, put it inside the oil. And if you see bubbles rising up rapidly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. Okay, I'm using medium-high heat, so please do the same. Slowly add in your prawns. Okay, don't move them. We want the crust to form. And try not to overcrowd your pan. Prawns cook pretty fast, so approximately 2 minutes to 3 minutes, this will be done. Shake work a little bit, just to make sure that all of them are being submerged in the oil. Once the crust has formed, which takes about 1 minute or so, we'll turn it to the other side. Gently do it. This dish is very popular with kids because it's a little bit on the sweet side and yet it's very creamy. The prawns are almost done. Make sure they are cooked through because we will not be cooking this together with the sauce. The sauce will just be poured over the prawns. I've been frying this for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Something like this will be good. A very light golden brown. We just remove them from the hot oil. Remember, don't turn off the heat first. Just remove them. Once you have removed the prawns, turn off the heat, pour away the oil, and I'll show you how to make the gravy. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. Heat up your wok using medium-low heat. Add in a little bit of oil. Just a little bit will be fine. Add in 25 grams of butter, unsalted. Just push everything in. The reason that I added oil to the butter is because butter browns very fast and the oil will actually make it not so brown actually. Once the butter has been melted, we add in 1 whole bar of garlic chopped. Now, still using the same medium-low heat, we'll fry until the garlic is fragrant. Mix them up, stir them. Make sure that they are not burnt. This dish is creamy, savory, garlicky, and a little bit on the sweet side. A favorite among kids and adults also. Smelling very good. Just fry them for a little while, about a minute or so, before we add in our curry leaves. We want to get the spiciness and the rawness of the garlic away, and we just want to keep the fragrance of the garlic. If your garlic browns too fast, reduce the heat. This is smelling really good. Okay, I've been frying the garlic for approximately a minute to 2. So now I'll add in our curry leaves. Add in 1 whole sprig of curry leaves. If you have this, add it in. If you don't have, then make it optional. But this will give the dish a very beautiful exotic flavor. And if you like it spicy, now is the time to add in a few cut chilies or so. Now we just need to mix this up until we can smell the fragrance from the curry leaves and the garlic. Just a short while will do. Still maintaining the heat at medium-low. Keep stirring them. Wow, smelling really, really good. When you see that part of the garlic has started to brown, we'll add in our evaporated milk. Add in 200 milliliters of evaporated milk. Season this with a little bit of salt. I'm using approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. And add in also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now adjust your seasoning according to taste. Give it a taste first before you add them in. Mix them up. You can now turn the heat slightly higher to medium. Get this to a boil. You'll need to thicken this slightly. Reduce the liquid a little bit. Remember to keep stirring this. If the milk is boiling too rapidly, just turn down the heat a little. Let it slowly boil and evaporate a little bit. I've thickened this to the kind of consistency that I like. Okay, something like this. And the sauce is done. Now we just pour the sauce over the prawns. Let's just pour the sauce over. And look at how beautiful this is. Just garnish this up a little bit. And now it's time for lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Smells really, really good. Very garlicky. And of course I can smell the curry leaves. So let's give this a taste now. The sauce covers the prawn really, really well. The crust actually absorbs the sauce. Very garlicky. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. And now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye.